Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's question is 6 minus 4. Let's solve 6 minus 4 inside the brackets. 6 minus 4, that becomes 2. So inside the brackets, 6 minus 4 is 2. Now, if we multiply the bracket, 2 times 2, now solve it, 2 into 2, 10 is the answer. This is wrong, sir. In questions like this, we follow the BODMS rule. The BODMS rule according to the BODMS rule. First, we'll solve the brackets. After that, division and multiplication, and then addition and subtraction. Division and multiplication have the same priority. So first, we'll check from left to right. We'll do the same for addition and subtraction. So the question is 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 according to the BODMAS rule. First, we'll solve the brackets, so it will just be 6 minus 4. Next, we'll solve it further. 6 minus 4, remove the brackets, and multiply. So it becomes 6 minus 4 times 2. Now, solving it further, 6 and minus 8. So positive 6, negative 8, which gives negative 2. This is the right answer.